right, hey everybody, I am Donovan, your digital marketing specialist. We have Ashley.
Hi.
Ashley's our social media content specialist. We are at Salon Republic, West Hollywood on Santa Monica Boulevard. Our new space opening beginning of August, so we've got a couple weeks left. They are busy putting the final touches together, finishing up the spaces. We wanted to take you around, show you a bit of the space, and show you what it's going to be looking like in just a few weeks. So come along with us. We'll tell you all about it. We'll flip the camera around. I'll be your tour guide, so you can go ahead and flip it here. Got it?
Yep.
All
All
right.
right, let's go.
Got me?
Yep.
First off, here's our entrance. We painted a mural. Mural by a local LA artist. And down here is his Instagram, Zal1. Super talented, so kind of sets the space, sets the scene for you walking in. You can kind of see we got the entire mural walking in. And as you swing in here, come into our reception area. So what we got is, on your right, retail shelves. That's for all your retail product that you can buy from us and sell directly to your clients. Our reception area with a full-time salon manager to help you with whatever you need. And swing around this way. This is where our in-salon beauty supply will be. So that's where you get your products for your developers, your color, everything that you need. You don't have to go out to the shop to buy it. It's right here. Just buy it, walk back to your studio. Super great. So we have our reception area pretty much done, getting pretty close to done. Final touches. So what we'll do now is we'll take you around the salon. So we have about 60 studios. And on our left here, window studios, full window studios. You can pop in there and take a look. With the views of Santa Monica Boulevard.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
All right, again, so we are if you're just joining us, at Salon Republic, West Hollywood on Santa Monica Boulevard. Our second West Hollywood location opening beginning of August. We're taking you on a tour. We'll walk you down this hallway here. We have our window studios on the left, interior studios on the inside walls. We got someone in here. Come on in. It's Carlos.
Hi, Carlos.
It's George. Hey guys.
Hi, George.
Hi. Now you're
Hair color by Carlos. Hair by George.
okay. So you're new licensees. You're moving in.
I'm moving in.
Okay. This is your space.
Beyond Stoked 108. This is where the magic happens.
Yes.
Come see us.
Yes, absolutely.
So excited after 39 years, a veteran in the industry, working in A-list salons in Beverly Hills, West Hollywood. Then we had a little thing called the pandemic, and being an entrepreneur and an independent business owner is like a dream come true.
Yeah. So what made you choose this location?
I loved the fact that Salon Republic was opening this prime location in the heart of West Hollywood, like the entertainment capital of Los Angeles. There's so many businesses that are cutting edge and top tier. I'm so excited to be able to collaborate with them and expose my clients, to all of the resources that are already here.
Yeah, it's amazing. Okay, so tell us about your space. So this is your space. What are your kind of design ideas? Paint us a picture. What is it going to look like?
Well, I love the modernism. I loved like the open ceiling. I love the industrial vibe. It's very clean. I love modernism. I love Salon Republic's the black trim. I love the floor-to-ceiling windows.
Nice view.
Oh my God, we're in Los Angeles. It's like this is essential view. Yeah.
So what color are you thinking? What color scheme?
I'm a purist. I'm a hairdresser through and through. Black and white.
Black and white. Okay.
Black and white.
So mirror here.
Yeah. Yes. I'm having a really large mirror mounted
on
this wall. I want to open up the room. I want to pull in the outdoors. I'm going to be able to see that from the mirror.
Right.
I have some product cabinets also that are going to be mounted. Built-in cabinetry, built-in dispensary behind.
Perfect.
Yeah, kind of creating a little paradise.
Awesome.
Yeah, right here in the heart of WeHo.
That's fantastic. Well, thank you. Well, thanks for letting us stop by.
Can't wait.
And
Thank you, guys.
We'll be back when it's done and finished and we're open. We'll come back and see the after.
Okay, we can't wait. Hair color by Carlos, hair by George.
Awesome.
We'll see you
Bye, guys. See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys, thank you. Was that good?
Absolutely.
Okay, good.
Perfect.
So, going on here, we're going to walk further down. Again, we're at Salon Republic, West Hollywood, on Santa Monica Boulevard, our new location opening beginning of August. So let's keep going. We have our window studios on the left, interiors on the right. We got another person. This is Ariana.
Hi.
Ariana, you want to speak to us for a second?
Yeah.
Okay. Just taking measurements?
Yes, getting ready.
Come on in. All right, so tell us, why did you choose this location?
I'm not gonna lie, the patio sold me.
Oh, we haven't gotten to the patio yet.
Oh.
We're gonna reveal it.
Oops, sorry.
That's fine. It's a little teaser. It's a little teaser. Yeah, the patio's amazing.
It just also too, I love that even though I don't have a window outside, it just seems so bright in here.
Yeah, because you're next to all the windows.
Right.
Yeah. So if you've got to look out this way, yeah, you kind of get the best of both worlds.
It's so bright.
Okay.
And I've always just wanted to be in the like West Hollywood proper area, so it kind of just came at the perfect time and perfect opportunity, and I figured why not take advantage.
Yeah, super excited.
Yeah.
All right, so do you have an idea of what it's going to look like yet?
So I do lash extensions, lash lifts, and brows.
Okay.
So I do like to keep it really bright, so I am going to keep the walls white, but neon sign.
Okay.
I'm going to have some like photos of my work. I did a photo shoot with some clients that I'm going to hang up. Mirrors. Kind of a very eclectic vibe. I don't really have an exact style.
Okay.
I'm kind of like, I like this and I like this, and
That's good.
let's hope it works together.
Yeah, exactly. So we'll be back once we open.
Yeah.
We'll come see the after. We'll check it out,
Yeah.
and we'll see all the little things
I'm
that you
super
asked.
excited.
It's gonna be super great.
Yeah.
Well, it was great talking to you.
Thank you.
We'll see you in a few weeks.
See you in a few weeks.
We're gonna go show them. We're gonna go show them the patio. We got to do it. I mean,
Yeah.
now that she teased it. Now that she
Sorry.
teased it. The big reveal. One of the main reasons a lot of people chose this location. We'll come on down here. Oh, actually, before we get to the patio, sorry, I know I teased it. I want to show this. So at Salon Republic, come on in. You can customize your space. So if you want to take two studios and combine them, you can put two studios together for a bigger space, share the space with a coworker, and split the rent. So we don't charge extra for extra people. The rent is the rent. So you can double up the studio, get the extra space, and share the space. These people left up their wall, or you can take the wall all the way down. Either way, but they had this nice wall there, so they can have things on each side, their mirror on each side, so they're separate, but they're also kind of working together. So that's how our combo studios, our custom-sized studios work. So yeah, we're able to mix and match and make the size that's going to work best for you. Okay, so I had to show that. So that's an option. Again, do we have any questions out there? Anybody asking any questions? We're covering everything? We're good?
They want to see the patio.
Okay, okay.
Let's go see the patio.
Okay, it's time. We teased it long enough. All right, let's come out to our private, exclusive patio overlooking the Hollywood Hills. So we're gonna have seating, umbrellas, chairs, so you'll be able to come out here with you and your clients. Exclusive access just to our Salon Republic beauty professionals. So come on out here, eat your lunch, enjoy the Hollywood Hills. You know, you can look at your future home up on the hills. Which one's yours going to be, Ashley? That one?
The one all the way on the highest mountain.
That one, of course. You got to dream big.
Yep.
So yeah, so this is going to be great for our beauty professionals to come out and relax and just chill out. You and your clients, exclusive access. Can't wait for that. So we'll keep on going here. And so you have 24/7 access to this space. So if you want to work, at night, early in the morning, you can just come in when you want. So that's a flexible schedule that helps for you setting your schedule the way you want it. One thing, if we go in here, one nice thing about this one gets all the natural light from the patio coming in, a little bit like what Ariana talked about. That natural light comes through these studios here. So this is a good one if you're interested. We have a couple of these right here on this side, right across from the patio available. So if you're interested in getting a space here with Salon Republic, you can do a couple things. You can go to salonrepublic.com. You can book a tour there. You can book a virtual tour, or you can book a in-person tour. Come check out the space for yourself there. Or our link is in our bio, so go to our bio, link in bio there to go to the book a tour that way. So let's keep on going. But yeah, so if you want the best of both worlds, the natural light from the patio, but the interior price, right here, these are ready. So we have about 60 studios. 60 studios. Watch your right there. Okay. About 60 studios. It's nice and easy. It's just a big rectangle, so your guests aren't gonna get lost. You can just tell them you're, right there. Super easy to navigate, which is really great. Let me make sure I covered everything. Okay. Oh, and then we have 2 studios. We have one like this one. 2 studios that allow access out to the rooftop, which is awesome. So only you and one other suite have access to the private rooftop on the side, which is awesome. Bathrooms right here. Nice bathrooms, high end. We have janitorial staff here every day, so everything gets cleaned every day. They take care of everything. And speaking of that, let's walk down a little further. Oh, we have our water, and fill up your bottle, which is great. Save on plastic, save the world, one bottle at a time. And then this is one of our beauty professionals' favorite amenity, complimentary towel service. So what that means is we wash and dry your towels for your service. We just have a fresh stack of them in the morning. Grab them, go to your studio, use them. If they're dirty, bring them back, put them in the bin. We wash them throughout the day, so you always have fresh towels. You never do towels again. It's a game changer. Everyone loves it. And also, we just show the washers and dryers. So that's actually free for you to use. You can also use those for your capes, your smocks, any of your blankets if you're an esthetician. So you can wash your work things in there and then just take them back to your studio. You don't have to bring it back home, which is fantastic. All right, so then that takes us down. Sorry, sir. Around the square, around the rectangle, back to our reception area. Super easy to navigate. Again, we have the full-time salon manager here, in-salon beauty supply store, free towel service, free Wi-Fi, 24/7 access. So if you're interested, again, go to salonrepublic.com. This is the Salon Republic West Hollywood on Santa Monica Boulevard location, opening beginning of August. We do have some studios available. Go book a tour, either virtually or in person. Come check it out. And you can also go to the link in bio. You can book a tour from there. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in a couple weeks when it's all done. Bye.
Bye.